late last night and we have got to get our motorhome cleaned. We were going to clean up, well, back up. I started cleaning while we were there. Obviously, we cleaned a couple times while we were there, and I wanted to record a video of the whole process, and then I forgot to record me, like, doing the laundry, putting everything back in because we were so busy the entire time. And usually when we travel, we clean up at like our campsite, so that way like all the laundry's in one spot, all the dishes are done, everything is wiped down, so that way when we get home we just have to take everything out. But when we left the campsite, we were camping at like Cracker Barrels the rest of the way home for the next few nights, so it obviously got a little messy. It is kind of a disaster. We started remodeling as well, and so don't mind some of the missing knobs and things like that. I will have a video uploaded of our finished motorhome if I haven't already. When you have two dogs, you have to put blankets everywhere so that way they don't scratch things up, and then there's dog hair everywhere, and then while you're driving and you're trying to eat and things like that, it just gets messy. There's a light bulb missing from our light fixture because I bought this cute light fixture on Amazon, and then I turned it on 2 days after we were driving and it was literally smoking, so that was scary. So we just need to get rid of all of the blankets and the rug and sweep everything, mop everything, get everything out of the refrigerator, so that way next time when we go to use it, it's all nice and clean. We also have this back cabinet in our bedroom that is entirely full of dog treats and food and toys and all sorts of things. We went to Florida for the largest pet expo in the world and got a whole bunch of stuff to try out. So I will have a video uploaded on our time at the Global Pet Expo and all of the new companies that we discovered and all of the new products, or just companies that we've already known about. So when I clean, I kind of go everywhere. I'll do dishes, and then I'll do floors, and then I'll do blankets. I'll do everything. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to try to be organized while cleaning. While at the campground, I had recorded myself like putting the dogs out, because when we're at a campsite, I like to have everything out so that way I have more space to work with. So I usually just put them outside, and then I try to get out any blankets or any laundry or things like that. And if I'm at a campground, I try to do the laundry while I'm cleaning the inside. So I am going to take off all of the blankets and load those up and out of here. And then we need to clean the shower and the counters and all of that good stuff. So let's get into it. So these curtains are new, and this is the spot Bronco sits in. And look at how much hair, I don't know if you'll be able to tell with the lighting. Look at how much hair is on here. And then we put flooring in instead of carpet, and look at that. That is so much dog hair. And I cleaned this 3 days ago. So we are going to lint roll that and get all this cleaned up too. Okay, I am packing up everything we got from Buc-ee's, and I just wanted to show you, we got so many cute things. We got this dog toy for the dogs, and we got this hoodie. It won't fit Duke, and they didn't have a bigger size, so we just got it for Bronco. And then I got this shirt. It is so cute. I love stuff like this. I will probably just fold this up and put it in my closet and never wear it, just so that way I have it as like memorabilia. And then I also got this one. This one I will probably wear. It just says Buc-ee's in Texas. On our way home, we went to another Buc-ee's, and Jed got this shirt. This is the front, and this is the back. It's so cute. And at that other Buc-ee's, Jed also got this shirt as well. And on our way home, we visited a gas station called Duke's, and they had like a dog wash. It was broken though. But we wanted to get like a shirt and a hat, so I got this shirt. It just says Canton, Texas, Duke's. And it has like a semi-truck on it. And then Jed got this hat. It says Duke's on it with the dog and the symbol of Texas. this is the back, Canton, Texas, and then it has that right there. So cute. So now I'm going to get all of the bedding off of the bed, all of the stuff like the vacuum and stuff like that off of the bed, get all the sheets off, and then get everything out of those cabinets. We are parked at a storage facility, so I just have to load everything up in the truck and then drive it home. So I'm going to get all of that cleaned up and then start loading stuff up so then we can start cleaning the floors and everything. Okay, one thing about trailers, motorhomes, is they get so dusty. Like, I cleaned this before we left, but there's just so much dust, like, all over the counter. And since this is black, you can just see how it attracts the dust. So I'm going to give that a good wipe down, and then I bet before we leave on our next trip again, it's already going to be dusty again, because it's even windy right now, and things just come in through the windows and the vents and everything. So I'm going to get all of this cleaned up. I got the sink cleaned up, and I think water is like piling up there. I don't know what's happening there. We're going to try to put in a new cabinet. And then I put our dishes on that dish rack, but a lot of water still gets on the counter. So I'm trying to figure that out. If you have a trailer, what is the best way to dry your dishes with not a lot of counter space? Let me know. Okay, I got all of this clean. I think it's gonna need like some, I don't know, something good to scrub off some of this grease with. There's also some grease like above right here on the microwave that needs a good scrubbing with. I really don't like using chemicals when cleaning, but sometimes you need them. Just grease on here that was here previous to us that just needs to get scrubbed off. And then this grate, I think I'm going to take it home and clean it in our sink just because there's not a lot of space, and this also needs a good scrubbing. It's getting dark, so the lighting is not very good, but for the most part, she is really clean. There's like a couple things like the shower that we'll need to clean. And then before we leave on our next trip, I will steam the floors. I mean, I wiped them down with a Swiffer, but we'll just have to do a really deep clean before we leave next time. And for the most part, that is it. I just have to go home and wash the bedding and then put the bedding on. And then she will be all clean for our next trip. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me clean and Jed. I love watching cleaning videos or like organizing videos or things like that. So hopefully you enjoyed this. I can't believe how much stuff we bring with us and then take home with us, but yet we still have so much stuff at our actual house. I just don't get it. It's so many things. But that is it, and we will see you in the next video.